Our tiny little Havanese puppies. Only a few days old. And they have the hiccups, or they did anyway. Oh, there they go. The puppies are only 2 days old. We have 2 browns, 1 white, and a black. And look at them go. Aren't they sweet?